guys, today we are playing Pit Free For All with Dirt Bike Caleb 123 and Black Spider-Man version. So I'm gonna change my style in a second. We're just doing emotes. Right. Alright. Look at this. I don't have that. Bing bang. Oh, I have that. I don't know where it is though. Thank you for the views on the He Got Him video, because that was awesome. That was very unexpected. That was very unexpected. Alright. Oh, it takes forever for this to go out. I know. 746? I have 1,108. I have 1,108 kills. You're like 400 kills down from. Wait, how do I get so many kills so fast? That's just weird. One time we joined this game and I was like 1 kill down from him. That was just so weird. Not even. The highest today I just played and someone had 9,000. Whee! Oh. What is full bang 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 bang? No, no, I would be like, no way, host. Hey guys, get me to 100 subscribers soon. I'm really hoping for it. Bang. You always say you're dead. Yes. Bang. Oh shoot. Caleb wants us to get. Caleb says if we get 1,000 subscribers in the next 2 months, he will give us some shout-outs to do so. Yeah. My life is so boring. My life is so boring. And then I'm sitting here. You actually can. I know how. You have to have Spider-Man mythics though. If you swing up and then it makes it's like the game thinks you're on the ground and then you can emote. Like you could do the little. Look at this. Sure. Oh God. That was loud and that was interrupt. This gun I'm cracked at. I like crack people's shields. What the heck is a yeeted? Oh, I know what that is. I may have a different kind though. Do we have to go in a flat world or whatever? No, just go back. Go back to hub. We're going back to hub. We're gonna make a yeetinator. How do you do it then? Spider Spider-Man does whatever Spider can. Someone's told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool. World is gonna roll me. Ain't the sharpest. World is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. And with a stack of medical conditions. Yeah. Smack. Okay, I have to. Guys! Who's that? Who is that? Who is it? Who is it? Okay, dude, I'll give you Matt's net. Hey, you step on a bottom. Tell her how many views it has. Hold on, don't break that. Let's see. I'm gonna make the best Yeetinator. Yeah. Spider-Man. Why? Hold on. I'm making a better Yeetinator. Keep playing that. Alright, Caleb, watch this. Wait, hold on. I gotta put it on Ultra Mega mode. Alright, are you ready? Watch me get yeeted. Hold on. Can I break down your builds? Okay, but first let me show you this Yeetinator. You're not gonna take fall damage. Come here. Ready? Oh shoot! Jump on this thing. It'll send you flying. Oh God! Oh! You just can't touch this thing. What? Okay. That'll be it for today's video. Bye-bye.